Welcome back everyone. 3D printing now and beyond. In this one I'm going to show you how to do a multicolor print without AMS. So I found this cactus toothpick holder that I liked and I wanted to print it off on my P1S without AMS. So this is what we're going to do. So I got my P1S selected here, download and open. Oh, look at that. Not to get off topic, but this is one of the bugs I was talking about in another video. It loads the X1 carbon even though I have the P1S, but okay. Be nice if they would fix that, but anyway. Okay, so here we go. So we got this cactus toothpick holder, brown and green. So what I'm going to do here is take out color down to 1. Now, going to hit slice. Okay. Processing. One moment. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this down here to where I want the color change to happen. Now, this isn't going to be exactly like if you actually have AMS, and I'm going to show you why that is. Okay, I'm just getting this right where I want it. Okay, so you can see right where the top here of the pot ends. Okay, it looks like right there. I'm going to go up just a tad. And then right here, I'm going to right click and then do add pause. So I'm going to slice this again so that pause is added into the G code. Processing again. Okay, get rid of this. Now what's going to happen is when you go to print, I'm going to have my brown filament in here. It's going to print up to this point. The printer's going to automatically pause. And then what we're going to do is change the filament just like you do normally. Just pretend like the print isn't even going on. Change the filament out to the green, and then you're going to resume the print. And that's all you got to do. Now, the only main difference is doing it this way on this particular model is this part right here is also going to be brown, which is just something I'm just going to have to deal with because without having AMS, you're not going to be able to get it where it's just like this, where the cactus is green all the way down to the base. But for me personally, I was okay with that. It still turned out pretty good. So I'm going to do this print. I'll show you a time lapse. I'll show you how it turned out. And then I'm also going to show you some other prints I've done this way just for inspiration. So appreciate you watching. Check out the time lapse and the prints that are at the end of the video. And thanks for watching.